Yeah, hi. Myself is Sheikh Abid. I have a 15 years of experience in IT industry. I have played multiple roles like a database developer, data engineer, data DBA, and so on. So I have worked for the multiple MNC companies. Like I have service now. I have worked for the Tech Mahindra. In AI, I heard in December, last year December. So after that, I didn't use much, but I know that there is a AI. But after that, I have discussed with colleagues and managers as well in my company. So how easy we can integrate the chart GPT, we can leverage the OpenAI, those things as well. So many times. So I was in a migration project. On May 18th, all of a sudden at 12 p.m., I got a call from my HR. As I need to resign in 4 hours. After working the 6 years in the same organization, they one of the best organization currently it is calling. So at that time, I was got shocked. Like, so what to do? So I don't have the job at that time. Then what? The 10 days I am in like a dilemma. So what to do, what not to do. I have invested in some unorganized sector to come up with this one because I am a 46 years. I have 3 kids and a family and everything. So there are a lot of commitments. But the thing is that that is also that's a very good job. So it is not a ordinary kind of the things. I have a very good shares over there and everything in that company. That too, I have proved myself in that company from the past 6.6 years. This is not the first time. So 6 months or 1 year. So maybe something is went wrong over there. Some politics, whatever it may be, blah 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 things. So all of a sudden, I got fired. So that I have seen Aditya Kachave that ad actually. So that is the 210 rupees or 270 rupees some initial this thing. I have registered that one. So then I came to know that this is the right thing actually I need to, because I have planned for 1 year. So because I have the more than 15 years of experience, I feel that I am like a heavy. My package also heavy. The current market is very bad actually, the situation. So I have prepared myself for the 1 year actually. So 1 year I have planned for my financial this thing. So if there is no job for the 1 year also, how can I survive? So just I was in that way to think that, so let's start for at least 1 year I need to try in this field, otherwise I need to change my career or something like that. So those are the multiple things are going on in my head at that time. So after that, I have registered and I loved that energy the Aditya Kachave showed and everything. So immediately at the same time, I have registered that for the mastery program as well. So that mastery program's first 1 week, I have followed each and every steps. So because so they have covered a very good, the way they have covered the topics, right? From initializing to how to prepare the resume for a particular, I am talking about the particular getting the job. So how to prepare the resume, how to polish our LinkedIn profile. So how to apply to the companies. After applying to the company, once you got the job, how to evaluate these companies, so come best, and so all the tools. This is the right tools, right? So there are so many types. Which one I need to do? If I go for that, I know the ChatGPT, OpenAI, generative AI, there are a lot of tools. But he has given that mastery program has that given the bundle at a time. So it saved me a lot of time. Unnecessarily, I no need to go for a search for the any tool, how to leverage it. But the thing is that the way they have designed this pattern, that I loved it actually. So first, getting what is our strengths, our weaknesses, how to prepare the resume, then what are the tools we need to use out, apply it to the companies. Then once I got that calls, I got so many calls actually. So only I have attended like in 1 month career, in 1 month period. So that period I was able to join the other company. I cleared all the interviews and everything. So I have applied for like more than 6 to 7 companies. Only one company, maybe they are not able to. I was not able to clear that interview. That is the first and second interviews. I have faced the challenges. Remaining all are mostly I have cleared, like till HR. In the HR discussion packages only, I came back, but I have, say, I have applied for the 5 companies. It seems they all are ready to give the offer actually. So that is the 10x. I have prepared for that 1 year and I got the job in 1 month. So the 10x value I got from be 10x. Average, yes, as much as yeah, because you will get the knowledge as well. If you say, for example, you doesn't have any knowledge or some static knowledge. For example, say you are the backend programmer or something. You know the Java, whatever you have written, and you are getting the experience, whatever the you are getting the experience from your colleagues and all, right? So instead of that, use the OpenAI to get the broad current content. So I must recommend everybody to leverage the AI. There are some challenges are there. The companies are not allowing for the security purpose, security review, all those stuff. So you will get broad idea actually. So that is also a lot of help.